The first skill to develop in the new AP psychology is one of the original two skills, concept application. Concept application in psychology is like you put on different pairs of glasses to see the world in different ways. Each pair of glasses represents a different perspective or theory. Why do people react differently to the same situation? Imagine two students receive a poor grade on a test. One student feels motivated to study harder next time, while the other feels discouraged and gives up. Why do they react so differently? The behavioral perspective would say that the first student was reinforced in the past to work harder after setbacks, while the second student was punished or not rewarded, which led them to feel helpless. In other words, our actions are shaped by rewards and punishments we've experienced before. The cognitive perspective focuses on how we think. The first student might believe that hard work leads to improvement, a growth mindset, while the second might believe that their abilities are fixed and cannot change, a fixed mindset. These beliefs shape how they respond to challenges. Let's say you're in a new country, and you notice that people act very differently from what you're used to. How can you apply psychology to understand this? In psychology, we learn that cultural norms influence behavior. Direct eye contact is a sign of confidence in certain cultures, while in others, it is seen as rude. To understand norms helps us navigate social situations with respect. When we interpret behavior, it's important to be aware of cognitive biases like confirmation bias, where we prefer information that confirms our beliefs, and hindsight bias, where we think we predicted an event after it happened. If we recognize these biases, we can be more objective and make fair judgments. It can be very important to apply psychological concepts. For instance, if we use overconfidence to make decisions without proper evidence, it can lead to catastrophic mistakes. In addition, if we misapply theories, it can cause discrimination. To stereotype individuals by their cultural background without an awareness of personal differences is unethical and harmful. Let's go back to our first question about the two students with different reactions to their grades. Say you decide to talk to both students and find out their backgrounds. You discover that the motivated student had a supportive teacher who encouraged a growth mindset, while the discouraged student faced constant criticism at home, which led to a fixed mindset. This shows us that psychological perspectives and theories are not just academic concepts. They help us understand real people and their behaviors. If we apply concepts thoughtfully, we can better understand ourselves and others, which leads to more effective interactions and positive emotions. Next time you wonder why people behave differently, remember the different pairs of glasses. You could choose behavioral, cognitive, cultural, and more. Each one gives us a unique view to help us appreciate how complex human behavior is. You can wear more than one pair of these glasses. If you can do that, you can do AP psychology.